YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Hemi, and I'm back again with another video for y'all, man. Hey, so we finna do a nighttime POV with the Big 3. Nighttime POV, man. And yeah, nighttime POV. We're gonna go ahead and give y'all a cold start first because I have not started the car up all day. And then we're gonna get right into the video, man. Think in the comment section down below. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. Hold on. Look at that at night, bro. Bro, when I get that Demon Hood, bro, Demon Hood is gonna send this mug over the top. Over the top. This thing is gonna be crazy with the Demon Hood. Y'all see it? All right, y'all, let's go ahead, get into the car, and we're gonna go ahead and get this POV started. It's the back of the car. Also, I gotta wire up, I definitely gotta wire up the rear side marker lights, and yeah, look at that, 300 on the floor. I got it to where it's just only the front two are just like that. Just the front two are like that. Turn that down. And I'll open the sunroof so y'all can hear the exhaust. Man, I ain't drove this car at nighttime in so long, bro. I ain't drove this car in so long, y'all. So y'all see that I changed the, color to. Hence, might be the new wrap for the car, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I was thinking this color. Wait to that with the Demon Hood, that octane red with the Demon Hood and Demon Hood. I'm gonna do keep the roof gloss black. That shit is gonna be fire. Then I was actually thinking about doing cat skin and turning the seats to peanut butter seats, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comment section about how that'll look, because in the wintertime / springtime I'm gonna be working, so this mug can be up to, you know, so I can at least have those things done and have a nice wrap on the car too as well. So have a nice wrap on the car too as well, man. Trying to get back on my consistent grind. So y'all sit back, enjoy the POV. I wish my belt will stop squeaking. My belt be squeaking because the motherfucker be cold as hell. Bro, I can't see shit with these front tents. It's been a minute since y'all seen a nighttime POV, man. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to bring more of these POVs back to the channel, and I'll definitely make that happen. We're gonna find a highway, and we're gonna also get on the highway and gonna drive on the highway too as well. Also, I gotta fix I'm also thinking about adding that rear view mirror instead of this dash cam, just getting the rear view mirror dash cam, only because that one looks so much cleaner, and you can actually, I'll be able to actually see what's physically behind me and stuff, which would make that a lot cleaner. Drive this car, I forgot how good this motherfucker sound. Somebody gonna say in my last video on the comment section, sell me the car since I don't drive it. No, just because I don't drive it don't mean I want to sell the motherfucker. I want to keep my car. I just ain't been driving it lately because I've been having so much going on. But I'm gonna start back driving it real soon. Don't even worry about that. Then I want to get that motherfucking steering wheel with the LED, bro. I really, really want to get that steering wheel with the LEDs. That's probably going to be my next cop. I don't know, probably not my next cop, but I'm going to work on getting one of those custom made. And then, because that shit would be fire. That shit would be so fire. That shit would be crazy. I'd do that. And then I kind of want to, like, part of me be wanting to put the regular cluster back in just so I can successfully use pedal shifters, because look what happened when I use pedal shifters. Anybody know how to fix this? Let me know. Because anytime I go to that and then I use my pedal shifters, it don't show. Like, yeah, it show right there. Somebody. All I hear is like yelling out my sunroofs. It's a Charge on the side of it. What if that was low-key 12? This motherfucker sounds so good, man. Be forgetting how good this car sounds. Motherfucker sound good, bro. Ain't nothing like man, these cars bring so much joy and happiness, bro. Like, I'm smiling right now behind this camera, y'all, because I don't think y'all understand like how peaceful, like how happy I be to drive this car when I do pull it out. This motherfucker sounds so good, bro. So good. Trying not to talk as much to y'all. I'm trying to let y'all enjoy the sounds of this car, because I forgot how good this car sounds. Like I said, y'all, I barely get to hear this motherfucker, so hearing it. calling me and shit, man. That's why I usually use my GoPro. But I'm using my camera because this is the quickest way to get out. Quickest way to honestly get out and make some content for y'all, man. So many goddamn semis. There's one, two, hella semis. Motherfucker sounds so aggressive when I step on it. Whew. Hey, being at work all day or all week and barely driving this car, it's like when you actually like get in the car and you driving it, bro, like it just motherfucker sounds so crazy, bro. I can feel all the ridges in this motherfucking road because I need my shocks done. And I need some CV, my CV axles done. I just need some work done, basically. I should not be able to feel that shit so like that. I should not be able to feel that shit like that. I can feel everything. Temps, bro. Look at that temp. Shit. And yes, I am driving the car in all-wheel drive. Oil pressure. Is my oil pressure supposed to be? Is that right? Okay, it go up when I step on it. Okay, never mind. But yeah, don't mind my oil life. As y'all know, with these newer clusters, not everything works on them, which is why I kind of want to go back to the old one. But as y'all can see, all-wheel drive, 300, man. Always busting, bro. Never fails. Never fails. Never fail. Y'all see the carbon busting off there? Ooh, that carbon look clean than a motherfucker. Alright, y'all. That's not gonna end it. I just wanted to get out the car, give y'all a quick walk around and everything, man. We ain't gonna end it right there. I gotta put my what's the names back on this bitch, but y'all see it off the demon reps. Demon Hood has set this mug off, yeah. Y'all, so I'm definitely going to get some SRT center caps and some silver lug nuts just to make those wheels pop a little bit more, so they can look more OEM. You feel me? I just want that OEM look. So that's literally it. That's all right, y'all. We finna get back on the highway. Tear the highway up some more. All right, y'all. We finna go on ahead. Hop back on the E-way. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this POV. Let me know something. Y'all hear that cold out? That motherfucker be whistling. That motherfucker. Yeah, I love this car. Definitely love this car. I think one of the things I'm most happiest about is when I'm like just fixing my freaking sunroof like fully, bro. Like this and the weather right now, damn. The weather right now with my sunroof, bro, like that shit cool as hell. But all right, y'all, I think this POV is long enough. So I'm gonna turn my music back on and go ahead and wrap up this POV. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all want to see more of these POVs. Let me know if y'all want to see a daytime POV. But with this daylight saving crap, you know, it's getting dark earlier. Now, when I get my CV axles done, my CV axle joints and my shocks, because I want to go with some performance absorbent shocks up front. My back ones feel pretty good, so I'm gonna just do front, and then y'all let me know, and I'm gonna document that and stuff like that. But I really do want to get an LED steering wheel, but I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off, man. I'm gonna catch y'all boys and girls on the next video, man. Peace.